We strive towards smart industries, a future where machines are autonomous and do not require any human interference or instructions. Every problem is detected and resolved automatically. But how do we get there? And how do we start? Modern industry requires the cooperation of multiple machines which may have different owners. The relationship is based on many contracts where human intervention is essential. This decreases the effectiveness and dramatically increases costs. As machines become smarter, more connected, and more autonomous, the current system will become more and more obsolete. It is simply too slow and too expensive for the factory of the future. Meet Tetramax Corona, a collaboration between German-based Pomocy AG and the University of Ljubljana. It is a platform for industrial machines such as manufacturing robots or 3D printers. It allows them to work together autonomously in a transparent and trustworthy manner, regardless of who owns them or where they are. Our proof-of-concept platform achieves this by using proven blockchain technologies and a system of smart contracts. Machines can interact with this system directly, and all actions must follow a set of precise and transparent rules. They're also securely logged, making it impossible to conceal or modify interactions and agreements. Let's imagine you own a company and you want to give away 1,000 special toys for kids in need for Christmas. You want to build them yourself, but you don't have that kind of production line available. Instead, you're forced to outsource all of your parts. This requires multiple complex agreements with various companies or requires paying a large premium for a company that will organize everything. Either way, you would need a lot of time and money for a relatively small project and a one-time deal. So, how does it work? You use our platform to find various industrial machines ready to be rented and select one or more that suit your needs. Then you submit the order to them containing your model, deadline, and payment. Machines accept the order, and by now, you and the machines have agreed to all of the details about the order, and the machines start working on your product. When this is done, the machine or contractor notifies you and submits proof that shows that it has printed what you've asked for. You then accept the proof and confirm the order is completed. Only then are the funds transferred. In our current prototype, an order is just for a machine to do a specific task. But what if the entity with which you place this order could put even more orders, and those entities could put even more orders? Larger tasks could be intelligently and autonomously split up into smaller tasks. Think about it. What if the order was not just for a toy, but for an entire product with multiple parts and additional assembly steps? We're working towards a future where you'll be able to create such an order, and without worrying about it, an army of machines will come to life to build your product. These machines, and even the buildings they're in, might belong to different individuals or companies. But because of systems like ours, they will trust each other and work together efficiently and cheaply. For us, every new machine is just another element that can be incorporated into our blockchain network. Currently, the idea is relatively new, but that is not stopping us from thinking bigger. In the future, we expect to lower the entry barrier for new production facilities and therefore create factory as a service.